Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. I don't know where that came about. Anyways, today's very easy puzzle is called Cloning Working Overtime by PageDough. And here are the rules. My 100th puzzle. Thank you everyone for solving my puzzles. Hope you enjoy. This is by Dolph Page or Page Joe. Uh, um, Thank you actually for I've done a lot of Page Joe's puzzles and they've always been really fun and pretty and very enjoyable in general. So thank you for all your setting and we will have fun doing this 100th puzzle of yours. Let's get to the real rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have clones, where the 4 shaded cell region in grid box 1 is cloned 4 times throughout the grid. Digits appear in exactly the same positions in each shaded clone region, and clone regions do not overlap. So basically, this cloned region here appears 4 times in this puzzle. Once is here, another time is here, another time is here, and another time is here. And these shaded regions digits appear exactly in the same position in each shaded clone region. So this digit is the same as that one, which is the same as that one, which is the same as that one, which is the same as that one. And that's the same for each of the 4 cells in the cloned region here. Numbers on a thermometer strictly increase as they move away from the bulb. So you could have something like, say, 3, 4, and 8 here, and that would be valid because it's continuously increasing from the bulb to the tip. What you could not have, though, is something like, say, 3, 3, and 8 here because it's not increasing from this cell to this cell, which is not allowed on these thermometers because they must be strictly increasing as they move away from the bulb. And that's how thermometers work. We have digits in cells joined by an X summed to 10, digits in cells joined by a V summed to 5. So for example, let's continue. Digits in cells joined by a white dot are consecutive, and digits in cells joined by a black dot are in a 2-to-1 ratio, and not all X's, V's, or dots are necessarily given. So the X's and V's are known as X's and V's. The black and the white dots are usually known as Kropke dots. So as an example, say we had a 3 here. Then this digit would have to be 2, and this digit would have to be 7, because these 2 digits must add up to 5, and these 2 digits must add up to 10, because there's a V between these 2, and there's an X between these 2. Say we had a 2 over here, then this would have to be 1 or 4, to maintain the 1 to 2 ratio between them. And if we had a 6 here, this would have to be 5 or 7, because these digits must be consecutive, because there's a white dot between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay. I noticed something when I was giving examples here is, okay, so these 2 digits are either 1, 4 adding up to 5 or 2, 3 adding up to 5. If we have 2 and 3, well, okay, that's not a good example. Let's look at, yeah, wow, that automatically gave all of those. So these are all the same. So we'll color them as gray. These are all the same. We'll color those as green. These are all the same. We'll color those as orange. And these are all the same. We'll color those as yellow. So all the grays, all the medium grays are the same digit because it's cloned 4 times, and these are the clones. All the oranges are the same, all the greens are the same, and all the yellows are the same. So the yellow must be from 1 through 4 because it's adding up with another digit to add up to 5. So this is 1 through 4 here. And the digit that adds up to 1 through 4 with will mark as blue. So this is blue. This is blue because it adds up to 5 with those. Okay. Where is orange in this upper right-hand box? Cannot be here or here because of oranges in the columns. Can't be here or here because of oranges in the rows. So the orange has to be, oops, the orange has to be there. Orange in this lower central box is one of these two. Let's just do the ones where we have confirmed information. So yellow in this lower left-hand box cannot be here or here because of yellow in the column. Can't be here or here because of yellow in the, yellow in the row. Can't be here or here because of yellow in the column. So yellow has to be here. Yellow is one of these two. So this yellow is less than, has to be greater than this digit. So first of all, this digit has to be less than that. So it's 1, 2, or 3, which means the yellow cannot be 1 because it has a digit that's smaller than it. So yellow has to be 2, 3, and 4. Green. Where is green in column 6? Green cannot be here because of green's in the boxes, and these are yellow and blue specifically, which are different than green. So this must be green over here. Where's green in this in row 7? Can't be here because of green's in the boxes. Can't be here because of green's in the column. So green has to be here. Interesting. So this adds up to 10 with yellow. Where's green in row 1? Can't be here because of green's in the boxes. Can't be here because of green in the column. So and this is orange definitely. So this must be green here. And we have 8 greens. We know where the last green has to be. It has to be there. Yellow. Green, orange, gray. So where is gray in row 6? Can't be here because of grays in the boxes. This is orange. And this can't be gray because of gray in the column. So gray has to be there. Or medium gray, I should say. Where is medium gray in row 3 then? Can't be here because of grays in the column, or grays in the box. Can't be here because of grays in the column, and then has to be there. Where is medium gray in column 1 then? Can't be here because of grays in the column. Can't be here because of gray in the row. And this is yellow, so this must be medium gray there. That gives us 8 grays, so we know where the last gray has to be. It has to be there. Okay. We've got all the greens, we got all the grays. We have orange. Orange is consecutive with green. That's interesting. And orange has to be less than green because, so therefore, green is in a 1 to 2 ratio with another digit. So this is 6, 7, or 8, and green can never be 7 because 7 can never be in a 1 to 2 ratio with another digit because if you have that, you get 3.5. If you double it, you get 14, neither of which are digits. So all the yellows then are 2 and 4. And if green were 6, green is consecutive with orange, and orange has to be less than that. So orange would necessarily have to be 5, but 5, orange is guaranteed to be next to another digit here. Which means, next to another digit. It's next to an X, which means that plus another digit must add up to 10. If we had 5 here, 5 only adds up to 10 with another 5, and we'd have a duplicate in that row, which is not allowed. So orange can never be 5, therefore orange has to be 1 less than green here because of this ratio, and it shows that it's less than here because the orange is less than the green here. So that means orange has to be 7 and green has to be 8. So green is 8, orange is 7. Yellow has to be 2, which makes this digit 1. The blue digit is 3 then. 8 is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 4. Okay. So then these digits are the same. I don't know. We'll make it red or something. Who knows? This has to be 1. We'll make that pink. And red is 4. The reds are 4. That medium has to be less than 8. Okay. And medium cannot be orange, and it has to be less than 8. So this digit has to be 9. And the medium can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this adds up to 10 with another digit. So it cannot be 5, which means mediums have to be 6. So this is 6. 6 adds up to 10 with 4. It's consecutive with 5 or 7, but this is 7, so this has to be 5 here. Remaining 7 adds up to 10 with 3. These two digits are in a 1 to 2 ratio, and we know it cannot have 8, 3, or 6 in it, so therefore it's 2 with 1 or 2 with 4 to be in a 1 to 2 ratio. Either way, it needs a 2, so 2 has to be there. That gives us 8 2s, I think. No, it doesn't. But it gives us enough information to get the 2s, all the 2s. 2 in row 5. Obviously, these are filled. Cannot be here or here because of 2s in the column. And this is 1 or 4 here. So therefore, neither of these can be 2s. So 2 in row 5 has to be there. We have 8 2s now. We know where the last 2 is. It's there. We need, and this is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 1 and 4. So the rest is probably just normal Sudoku aside from this digit. Well, it has to be because this has to be smaller than the 6 but greater than 2. So this is 4 or 5. So we have 4 or 5 here, and this is 1 or 4 here. And now we can do just normal Sudoku for the rest of the puzzle. So remaining digits of, what do we do? I guess we should do maybe column 3. We have 1, 4, and 5. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the row. It's the same thing as this upper left-hand box is 1, 4, and 5. And these can't be 4, so where is the 4 in this box? It has to be here, which makes this 1 and makes that 5. So that's helpful. Remaining digits of row 8, we have 4 and 9, and this can't be 4 because of 4 in the column, so this is 9, that's 4. And I'm just going by order of how many digits we have available. Actually, I guess I didn't, because this is 3 and 9. This is 5 and 9 is a possibility, and 5 can't be here because of 5 in the column. So this is 9, that's 5. Remaining digits in column 8. We have 1, 4, and 3. Well, this can't be 4. So it's 1 or 3. This can't. This could be 1, 3, or 4, and it's the same with the entire box. So this is 1, 3, or 4. This is 1, 3, or 4, but can't be 4 because of 4 in the column. Remaining digits in row 2, we have 1, 3, and 5 here. That's fine. Remaining digits in column 1, we have because of the 1, 5 pair in the column, we have 3, 7, and 9. And 3 cannot be either of these digits, so 3 has to be here. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the row, and it can't be 3, so that's 9, which makes this 7. Okay. Remaining digits in this box, then, this left central box, are 1 and 5. And remaining digits in column 2, then, are 7 and 9. Remaining digits in column 5, we have 3, 5, and 7. And this can't be 7, so it's 3 or 5. This can't be 3. That leaves us as a 5, 7 pair here, which eliminates 5, 7 in the rest of the column. So this can't be 5 here. It must be 3. Okay. Remaining digits in this upper central box are 1, 5, and 9. Okay. And the remaining digits in row 1 are 1, 5, and 9. Where is the 4 in row 2? Can't be here because of 4 in the box. Can't be here because of 4 in the column, so 4 has to be here, which eliminates 4 from the rest of the column. This is 1, 3 as a pair. Okay. Remaining digits of this lower central box have to be 1 and 4. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the row. So that makes this 1, which makes this 4. 1 eliminates 1 in the rest of the column, so the remaining digits in column 3 have to be, column 4 are 3, 5, and 9. Okay. This can't be 9 because of 9 in the row, so this is 3 or 5. We have a 1, 3, 5 triplet in row 6, which eliminates 1, 3, and 5 in the rest of the row. So no 5 here. This is a 4. And remaining digits in that column are 1, 5, and 9. Okay. We have a 1, 3, 1, 3 pair in this right central box, so this can't be 1 or 3. It's 4. This 5 also eliminates 5 from being in the rest of the column. So remaining digits in column 7 are 1, 3, and 9, and this cannot be 1 or 3 because of 1 or 3 in the row, so that makes this 9, which makes this 1, and therefore this is 3. 9 eliminates 9 here, so it's 7 and 9. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 5 and 7. 1 here eliminates 1 in the rest of the row, so this is 5 and 1. 5, 1, and 5 eliminate 1 and 5 here, so it's 9, which eliminates 9 here, so it's 5, which eliminates 5 and 9 there, so it's 1, which leaves this as a 5 here. That eliminates 5 here, so it's 3, which makes this 9. 3 eliminates 3 in the rest of the row, so this is 1 and 3. 5 here eliminates 5 here, so that's 1 and 5. And again, 1 in the box here eliminates 1 here, so it's 3. That makes this 5 there, which leaves that as a 9, and the final digit is a 1. I should probably come up with a better way of clarifying how, or just what leads to what, because I feel like it becomes kind of, I don't know, monotonous about the way that I say things. I don't know. I'm not sure how to spice it up a little bit or just make it more interesting. Anyways, if you guys have ideas, let me know in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.